Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a butterfly or pyramid, tornado or funnel chart using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm currently using Python version 3.12 in Jupyter Lab. This video will focus on how to create a diagram like one of these, and not so much if you should and what the advantages or disadvantages are, just how to create a diagram. To show you how that can be done, I'll need some example data, of course. So for that I'll use pandas, so I can load the general social survey data from 2012, adjusted for some example purposes. I don't need all of its data, I just need two non-numeric fields. So I'm going to be using the marital status and the gender, and quickly create a cross table just to see if what the data looks like. One of these has to be binary, so only two options, and in this case only male and female were selected, so that makes it binary at the moment. My library is not directly available via pip install, but well, pip install, but then refer to my GitHub account where you can find the stikpetP tar gz file, which has the library in it. Once you've installed it once, you can and should be able to import it just as any other library. And the function of interest for this video is VI, visualizations, butterfly chart. It requests the two fields. If you like, you can specify the specific categories that you want to see. And the variation is either butterfly, which is the default, tornado, or pyramid. Where if you use the default, it won't sort the categories. If you use tornado, it will put the category with the maximum sum on the top. If you use pyramid, it puts that at the bottom, and then it gets smaller as you go up. So here's an example of that butterfly chart. It's fairly straightforward. It's a simple function just to get a quick visualization. If you use the tornado version, then as you can see, it actually goes down. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.